Hi YouTube, this is the Sedona 64-piece kitchen set. I got it on a deal from Macy's and it actually came in great timing, so I'm going to unbox it and just show you everything that's inside it, so you can see, get a good idea for yourself. The actual website, even though it gives a description, Macy's just gives one picture of the items, you know, or rather the whole set. Gosh, hard to open here. There we go. So here we go. First items that come out is, I don't know what this is. This, I know. Great. Okay. Standard kitchenware items. So got spatula, sieve, not sieve, sorry, a ladle, nice large spoon, I don't even know what those are called, and a whisker. Great, they're all plastic. I'm sure they're all probably good for high temperatures, and that's that. With all of them. Just an idea of the size of them. Yeah, pretty happy with it. Great ladle, and here we go. Put those to one side. There's something else in this box. Let's see what that is. Ooh, okay. Couple of mats. These are like the non-slip mats that you get. I've actually had to buy these separately a couple of times in the past. Now I know that they are available here. You know, now I've got them. I think it's actually pretty cool. You know, not slipping, pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty happy with that. So yeah, these it came with, I think two of them. You might have more, I'm not sure. This here is the holder for the utensils. So there we go. Nice little neat thing. I'm very happy for that. Oh, awesome. Okay, as it happens, a week ago I actually bought these thinking I was going to need them, and now I'm going to return the ones I bought because I've still got the receipt. You can see I've got cup measurements, so you know it's standard, you know, full cup, half cup, third cup, quarter cup, and an eighth of a cup. Now, one of the things I'm very happy about with this set, you know, it's got like a very standard loop to hold it with, and then a plastic measuring cup. Goes up to 4 cups, 32 ounces. It's great, and on the other side it's got in milliliters up to 1,000 milliliters, so 1 liter. It has on either side of here metric, so it's it's a metric meter, so it's 100, then 150, 300, 200, 250 milliliters, and so on. It goes up in 50 milliliter increments. Pretty happy about that. It also comes with the teaspoon size, so all the way up to, I believe, a tablespoon. Yeah, a tablespoon, and you know, quarter teaspoon, so half teaspoon, teaspoon, and so on and so forth. Excellent. Very, very happy about that. These are some little tchotchkes. You know, it's just clips. They're great for sealing. I don't feel the best in the world, but the truth is I bought bad stuff before and it's lasted, cheap stuff before and it's lasted pretty well. And the last item in this particular box is 3 cutting boards. 3 cutting boards. I don't know what size these are, but you know, decent size. They'll be good for a bunch of things. Great. Very, very happy with those cutting boards. Go on to the next box. Whatever this is, it's very light. very light. Okay, containers, storage containers. I'll show you them. I don't necessarily know that it's going to be so interesting. They're just basic plastic ones. There's 3 here. Doesn't say how much they contain. They'll hold, and they come with the lids, and then the round ones. You know, happy with that. And you know, another couple of square ones, 3 square ones, 3 smaller round ones, lids, and they all have lids. Great. I'm really happy with that so far. Let's check the next box. Next box, I'm guessing, is just going to be all the pans and pots. Oh, they actually have them on the sides of everything, so I have to turn it upside down just to get this out. There we go. Okay, definitely this is going to be the pots and pans. Here we go. Let's use just a knife, get it open. Okay. Great. So I can clarify everything. Okay. I have a few pots and pans. They're very lightweight. It's great. I'm going to lay them all out in front of you so you can see them first. Two, also very lightweight, very nice. Three, nice little frying pan. And another cooking pot. A little tiny one. So, of the actual cooking pots, this is the 12-inch fry pan, and it does come with a glass lid. I'll put that on in a second. Oh, there's another little pot here. Okay, let's deal with this whole thing now so we can get it all named out quite nicely. Taking up a lot of space all of a sudden. Okay. That's the lid for the frying pan. It's gotta be, oh no, there we go. Okay, that's a problem. One of the pans has actually arrived dented. Now, I'll tell you something, this is from Macy's. I would actually just immediately send for a return because of but right now I'm not walking to any Macy's because as I described all this to you, it's arrived during the whole coronavirus panic, so I'm not going to go into it. I'll hold that to one side and I'll figure it out after. Here we go, here's a lid for that. Inside this box, the last items are some mixing bowls, I believe. Yeah, it's a inside here there's a 1 quart mixing bowl that comes with a lid. Great, very happy. And this is a 1.25 quarter mixing bowl, so with a lid as well, little plastic lid, you know. Great. Okay, that the final item in the big box: 2 pans, 2 cooking trays. So just to show you, one of them is a large baking sheet. It's 17 inches by 11.6 inches. And the other one is a medium rectangle one, which is 15 inches by 11 inches. Great. I'm genuinely happy with this whole thing. You know, not all of them have lids. The biggest problem I have is this pan here, which, you know, is damaged. You can see I literally can't even fit the lid on. I don't know what, I really don't have a clue what I'll do about it. It's, you know, the whole country is essentially to a certain degree in a lockdown. I'm not rushing to return it, and I need to use it before everything's gonna calm down, I think. So you know, I don't know what to tell you. I don't. It's a tricky thing because you can't necessarily recommend an item when it's coming dented, and who wants to have to go through the problem of fixing it? But you know, that's it. You've just seen it just came right out of the box like that. That's it. I might knock it in myself. I'm not sure. You know, I've dropped pans before in the past and I fixed them. So just to give you a full rundown, you've seen here we've got the 17 by 11.6 baking tray. Sorry, that's this one. There's the 15 by 11 baking sheet. There's the 12-inch frying pan with a glass lid. Great. There's the 10-inch sauteing pan, no lid for that. There is the 8-inch sauteing pan, no lid for that also, it's fine. There is the damaged, unfortunately, but 3-quart saucepan with a glass lid, which is great for, I'm sure, soups, whatever. There is the 1-quart saucepan, which comes with a glass lid. Well, very happy about that. You know, there's the mixing bowls that I showed you. There's the 1.25 and wherever I put the other one. Oh, right here. There's the 1.25 and the 1-quart one. I'm going to store them inside each other. Great. Fits pretty nicely. Is it going to close? Yep. Looks like yes. Okay. Great. And of the utensils, there is, let me get this right for you. There's the spoon, there's the saute turner, there's the spaghetti server, there's the ladle, and there's the whisk. And they all go quite nicely inside the stainless steel kitchen tool caddy. Great, very happy with that. There is the 2 silicone pad holders. I'm guessing they're also probably heat resistant, which is great. I'm gonna just Google that and make sure, just check it out. And then there's all the storage units I showed you before, storage items. Inside here, there's 3 32 square, containers, 32 ounces with lids. There's the 3 9-ounce ones with lids. There's the, I'm not going over that. There's 3 25-ounce containers with lids, and there's 3 25 ounce. Then they also have lids here as well. There's the measuring cups. Great, very happy with that. And the teaspoon, tablespoon measuring cups. It comes with the clips I showed you as well. There are 4 pieces to go in here, 4 clips. And there's the large plastic measuring cup. And to finish the whole thing off, there is the cutting boards sets. The 14 by 10 inch one, the 11.4 by 7.75 inch one, and the 10 by 7 inch one. I'm very happy with this. I can't tell you how happy the time is that I got these on. That's actually more of a priority for me, and I'm much happier with that. And I'm looking forward to using them. I'm actually only going to be using them seasonally. I'm not using them year round. I actually have a pretty nice set that I bought also on a deal a while ago. But yeah, if you decide to do it, I got it on a crazy deal. I spent I think $45 on a crazy it was through Dan's Deals. I found it, dansdeals.com. They posted it. I bought it from Macy's, directly from Macy's, but Dan's Deals was the one who posted it originally. I recommend you follow them on Twitter, also at Dan's Deals, and they're an excellent resource. Yeah, I'm very happy. That's my unboxing. Enjoy it, and put any comments if you have any questions.